Thank you very much. My name is Erasmus. I'm the photographer from Namibia. I'm inspired by the task you've given for uniting all African kings, Southern Africa or Northern Africa. What are you say about that?
Actually, it's a big duty that we have given to unite, to make a first union of the African king from Northern Africa. Yeah, it's really we have to start working now because it's 2029, it's nearby. So we have to start working now. We have to make an agenda, a place where we are going to meet, so that this task should be made in a very good way. So we are not working alone. We need a support for all the people, especially those who love our African culture. We are asking them so that they can help all these youth, so that this task should come up in a nice way, because we are fighting for bringing up our culture, and so that this unity should continue.
That's very brilliant. I wanted to know a little bit, is this Bailundu? Sorry for it.
It's a Bailundu.
Bailundu.
It's a Bailundu.
When I tell African, they say, who is Bailundu?
Bailundu, it's one of the biggest kingdom, not only in Angola but in Africa, because a long time ago it was African kingdom. What is the importance of this kingdom? It's very important because we do have land where we can do a great agriculture. We produce a lot of maize meal, beans, most of the seeds that the people use. Bailundu Kingdom are the one who produce it, and we sell to Congo, we sell to Gabon, we sell even to Namibia. The products, the seeds that we are producing there in our kingdom, we sell it in Kunen. Kunen also sell to this north area of Namibia.
Yeah.
So it's really powerful because it's organized. It's one of the most organized kingdom, because we have the palace, we have schools, we have a university where people, especially our young, are learning all about our ancestrality. So we are in a good way. What we need is to keep on doing what we are doing.
One last, I look at when you look at Huambo,
Okay.
with Kandri Kwanyama,
Okay.
they dress up Huambo dress, but the very unique, the Bailundu dressing is from India, something like that. Why similarity of it?
Yeah, as you know that culture is not something stopped. Culture should develop each and every day. All that help us to continue developing our culture, we need to make it. Today, we have not only have one outfit as a kingdom. We are not like a police. We are not like a soldier, whereby they have only one outfit. We got so many outfits. So we need to have this experience. not only because today the world is unique, the world is united. Yeah, we need also to gain others people experience, others people culture, so that our culture should be developed. So there is no anything bad wearing as we are today. We are 50% doing remembering our own culture, 50% the European culture. Look at the food we eat, the dress we wear, everything.
The language you speak.
The language you speak.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then today you don't. If you stop only on your culture, so people will see you that you are someone who absent-minded. Yeah.
I appreciate. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I hope I will visit your kingdom.
Yeah, you must come.
Yes.